Embark on a journey with Atlas Earth where exploration meets monetization. Discover a world where every terrain is a treasure awaiting your adventure. Dive in to unveil how. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today we're venturing into the digital wilderness of Atlas Earth, where adventure meets profit. Stick around till the end and unearth how your explorer spirit can turn into a lucrative endeavor right here on Atlas Earth. All right, let's kickstart this by introducing you to Atlas Earth, a platform that essentially acts as a digital mirror, reflecting the geographical beauty and the vast terrains our world has to offer. Imagine having the ability to scroll through the Earth's landscapes from the palm of your hands. That's Atlas Earth for you. It's a modern-day explorer's tool, laden with a vast array of terrain data and satellite imagery. This isn't just your ordinary map. It's a digital representation of the Earth's surface, providing an eye from the sky view of various landscapes that stretch across the globe. Now, why is Atlas Earth something worth exploring? It's not just about viewing terrains, it's about unlocking opportunities. The platform opens up a realm of possibilities for individuals to turn their love for exploration and outdoor adventures into a financially rewarding venture. It's like having a treasure map, where X marks the spot for both adventure and monetary gain. Now on to the fun part, making money with Atlas Earth. One of the most exhilarating ways is through organizing outdoor tours and expeditions. If you're someone who thrives in the wilderness and enjoys unveiling the hidden gems of nature, this is your forte. Utilize Atlas Earth's comprehensive terrain data and satellite imagery to identify unique, breathtaking locations that would appeal to adventure enthusiasts. These spots could be your next destination for a guided tour or an expedition that attendees would pay for. But how do you go about it? Start by tailoring your offerings. Whether it's a hike through a rugged trail, a wildlife photography expedition, or an extreme sports adventure, there's a market for various outdoor interests. And with Atlas Earth, you have a tool to pinpoint the perfect locations. Now, promotion is key to attracting tourists and explorers. Utilize online platforms, social media, and travel blogs to showcase your tours. Share images and videos of previous expeditions, and let the world see the thrilling experiences you offer. Geocaking adventures are another exciting avenue. This modern-day treasure hunting activity is growing in popularity, and Atlas Earth can be your tool to setting up captivating treasure hunts. It's about combining navigation skills with the thrill of discovery, and of course, monetizing the adventure. Feeling the rhythm? Dance along by hitting subscribe, tapping like, and ringing the bell. Together, we'll keep the beat going. Ready to move to the next tune? Let's jump back in. Identify exciting geocaking locations using Atlas Earth, set up unique geocakes, and create a challenging yet enjoyable experience for participants. Charge a fee for participation or collaborate with local businesses for sponsorships. It's about making the adventure worthwhile for both you and the participants. Now let's shift gears and talk about ecotourism and conservation projects. Atlas Earth isn't just about making money. It's a platform that can be leveraged for promoting environmental awareness. Identify areas in need of ecological conservation or wildlife preservation and create projects aimed at making a difference. Develop ecotourism initiatives that offer sustainable travel experiences coupled with educational insights. Offer visitors a chance to delve into the natural beauty of these areas while contributing to their conservation. It's a win-win, earning money while promoting environmental consciousness. On to location scouting for filmmakers and photographers. The high-resolution satellite imagery on Atlas Earth is a treasure trove for visual artists in search of the perfect shooting locations. From sprawling landscapes to hidden scenic spots, the platform provides a virtual tour of potential filming sites. Reach out to production companies and offer your location scouting services. Create a portfolio showcasing a variety of terrains and locations you've identified through Atlas Earth. It's about bridging the gap between the visual arts and the perfect natural backdrop, all while making a profit. Digital product creation is another route to explore. Leverage the data and imagery from Atlas Earth to create digital guides, ebooks, or mobile applications tailored for outdoor enthusiasts. It's about transforming raw data into valuable, marketable products. Market these products on e-commerce platforms, ensuring they're optimized for search engines with keywords related to Atlas Earth and outdoor adventures. Create visually appealing content that highlights the value and uniqueness of your offerings. In conclusion, Atlas Earth is a treasure chest waiting to be unlocked. Whether it's organizing tours, creating geocaking adventures, promoting ecotourism, scouting locations for filmmakers, or creating digital products, the potential for financial success is boundless. So venture into the realm of Atlas Earth, explore its features, and let your passion for outdoor adventures guide you to financial success. This digital platform is more than just a map. It's a canvas for monetization and a tool for environmental conservation, all rolled into one. Still on track? Your commitment is about to bear fruit. Delve into a free ebook, Manifesting the Zenith Online Business to Energize Today. But the saga continues. Post-ebook discovery, an entrancing 15-day challenge, takes the stage, precision-crafted for this digital expedition. With maestro mentors, innovative insights, and a dynamic toolkit, your lane towards online stardom is illuminated. Can you grasp the shimmer of potential? Surge forth with purpose. Activate the link in the description this moment and ascend towards a galaxy of digital success. Sailing out from today's e-earning voyage. Tried the method? Smooth sails or stormy seas? Drop your nautical notes in the comments. Did today's treasure map lead you to valuable insights? Press like as your seal of approval, yearning for more maritime money tales? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're aboard for every journey. Before you dock, see that video on the horizon? It's another route to digital doubloons. Click and let's navigate the online oceans of wealth together until we set sail again.